Hi everyone, Elisa with Jots Designs. In this video I'm going to be using two of these little corked bottles, and I got these from the Dollar Tree and just thought they were cute, and I mean there's 6 of them, so hey, good deal. And I'm going to be using some of these fun little tiny shells that I got from Walmart, and you can find those in the decoration section by like the fake plants and stuff. And I got some UV resin. This is from Amazon, and I couldn't tell you the name of the brand because it's in a different language. And I was actually surprised to see some instructions on the bottle. For the colors, I'm going to be using some Just Resin Premium ink. This one is Ocean Blue. It's super great for like a transparent color. And then I've got some Copic Various alcohol ink, and this is Coral Sea. And I've got some Pinata alcohol inks. I've got Blanco Blanco, and I grabbed Pearl, but I ended up forgetting to use it. Then I've got some decorative filler sand. I got that one from Hobby Lobby, and then as you can see, some Walmart sand. And I've got my UV lamp, and I like this one because it's pretty big space, and that tray comes out and makes it a little bit easier sometimes. And then I've just got a tray full of some baubles, and I wasn't sure what I was going to be using, so I just had the whole thing there. And I'm not going to talk through this one really and explain everything as I do for some other videos, but I do have similar videos where I do explain more for the similar techniques here. And I do want to mention that I add the resin to things such as the shells here and some sand, and that just helps minimize bubbles. You can see with these shells, I'm just using a toothpick and moving them around to help raise the bubbles to the top and get those out. I will show you the completed bottles after each segment, so definitely stay to the end. And please hit that thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Tell me what you think of these, and if you have any questions in the comments. I've got discounts and product links down in the description, and you can find more on my Amazon shop too. If you'd like to help keep this channel going, check out various ways to help in the description box below, and that includes donating via PayPal or sending items from my Amazon wish list. And all help is greatly appreciated and goes back into making videos to share with you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.